our reading Evangelio, the first with the Father, the altar. What is your next move? Good. Priest will say some words, and then after saying some words, prepare the wash bowl and finger towel. Don't wait the sign from us. We will not make you some sign. Good. Oops. Yun din. Good. After that, what is your next move? Go to your seat. Where is your seat? To the right side. Then flick. And then if you heard the word Santo, 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 what is your next move? Okay. Kneel. Good. Stand. Okay. After our Father, and then after Amay Namon, you will learn Cordero ng Diyos, right? Oh. So what is your next move? After the priest say Cordero ng Diyos. Kneel. Then the priest will eat the body of Christ. What is the next move? No. Again. Make it louder. Good. Again, the priest will eat the body of Christ. And then the priest will drink the blood of Christ. Good. Enough. Can you sit now? And then the priest will go to the front. The priest will go to the front, and then you will, on this side, you will go to the left side. Good. Then the priest done giving the Holy Communion to the lay faithful, the priest will come back here. After the priest come back here, very good. We'll go here, and then what is your next move? The priest is here. Always remember. This one is for washing. This one is for cleaning. So this clothes. No. This is for wash only. Okay? This is for cleaning. Put some water. Make it faster. Again, put some water. Make it faster. Very good. What is your next move? Go to the right side. But don't forget the genuflect. Good. Go. And then the priest will say, tapos na ang Santos na Misa. It means the Mass is ended. Oh, don't need the bell. Okay, the priest will go here. You will wait the priest. Okay? Genuflect, kneel, and then go to the priest.